So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Palantir stock, ticker symbol PLTR, here on Moomoo. So you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do now is to go to the top right and press on the magnifying glass or the search icon. At the top here, as I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol PLTR for Palantir. Then once that is done, press on the top one. Once you're here, go to the bottom and press on trade, then press on buy. Now on this screen, you can go ahead and change the order to buy or sell. You can go to the session and change that, the limit or the order type to limit or market. If it's limit, you can change the price, and also to the quantity. Once that is done, press on the green buy button, and you can go ahead and buy Palantir stock this way. So very straightforward, very simple. This is how to buy Palantir stock, ticker symbol PLTR on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.